with. A little bit of explanation lang, pwede naman po mag-explain, Your Honor. It has been 2 years because we decided, the whole team, Viva and Miria, decided that we should take the festival route first for the film to gain recognition and to give the film more premium. So we premiered in Da Nang, Vietnam po, first quarter of the year. And then by November, in competition po ang Out of Order sa Jagran Film Festival sa Mumbai, India. So pupunta rin po tayo doon. And gusto ko po magpasalamat sa lahat po na nandito ngayon, especially sa lahat po nang inimbita namin ng last minute but you said yes. Thank you po. Thank you po for supporting me. Miss Joy, thank you.